Very practical, and I will be using it. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this haul video. So I'm gonna try and categorize things, but a lot of it...
My arms are, yeah, not that good. But it's so pretty, and I'm gonna keep it anyway. And hopefully it will be bigger on the arms after I've used it. I don't know. I just hope it will.
I want to go in with like full coverage because it's prom, but it oxidizes a whole lot. I knew that. Oh, sorry.
Next part, I'm gonna use one of these two concealers because the other things on the table are for eyes. Bless you. And for the eyelids, the other ones, the other parts.
Фидер, блин. Фидер не доставала практически, наверное.
There's just a bunch of questions about thrifting, and I love to go thrifting, and you guys like my thrift hauls, so I thought I would do the Nifty Thrifty tag.
And I'm using it on a Sigma 239. I'm going to apply this Dream Maker right to my lower crease, and what this means is that you guys see.
And sometimes it's like hard-boiled egg, an apple, and some grapes. Excuse me. So yes, that's my lunch most of the time. Real simple, either salad.
Много. Ой, надо бы немножко накраситься, чтобы можно было косметику уже уложить. И застегну. Почти собрать.
What's happening with my health?